today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys how to get this cranberry gold shimmer thingy-majigger look. So yeah, thanks for watching and let's get started. Okay guys, let's get started. Now I am going to be looking at the back of the palette, and as you can see, I wrote in this lipstick which number I did the eyeshadows in, because I literally did this eye, I went downstairs, ate lunch, and then I came back up and I completely forgot. So yeah, I just realized there's a shade called Soda Pop. I actually like that a lot. Alright, so the first shade I'm going to be going in with is Buns. Okay, I have to sit the palette up in the air. So it's this shade right here. And I'm just going to be going in with a normal fluffy brush. So let's go in with Buns. And I'm just going to be taking this and applying that on my crease, and I'm going to go from the outside to the inside. So this is going to be just a transition shade, and it would just help get a nice color going. Next color I'm going in with, hold on, I'm just wipe this off as I go, because this lipstick is getting everywhere. I'm going in the shade Pukey. It's another transition shade. I'm sorry, I'm not really going to be able to show you guys the shades because it's actually the struggle's real. So I have to make sure I get these shades right anyway. Down. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, so it's this yellowish shade. And I'm taking that and putting that in my crease as well. With this look, I find that it's really important to have good transition shades, because it will really add depth to the, my nose is weird, really add depth to the look at the end. And now I'm going to be going in with the shade Cranapple, what am I saying? And it's this nice, beautiful, red, shiny princess look. So yeah, and keep in mind guys, I'm using the same brush for this whole part, and I will tell you guys once I change my brushes, but there's not really, I don't really have a name for my brushes or anything, so I'm kind of just sticking with the regular. Alright, and also I got a ring light from Amazon. It's a little one for your phone, so just comment down below if you guys like it or not, because I personally like it, because normally my lighting is super yellow, but this is white, and I changed my background as well, so that's a double whammy. Okay, so now that we have this nice shade going on, we're going to be going in with the color, hold on, to clean this off. Clean off at the end. 4. We're going to be going in the color Queen, which is a gold color. Now we're using different brushes. I'm going to be using the Smoke Eye brush from this palette. It's this mermaid thing. I'm going with the color Queen, which is a nice gold color. Looks like this. And I'm going to be taking that and putting it right on my line. I'm making really ugly faces, sorry. I'm taking this and just applying it to my whole top line. Alright then. Okay, so now I'm going to be going in with this small brush right here. It is for a lip, but who cares? And I'm going to be going in with the shade Faint, which is this really pretty pinkish shade thing. And I'm going to be taking that with this brush and just covering my whole lid, the middle of the lid. And hold on, I'll just show you guys what that looks like. Sorry for the silence, but oh well. Okay, so the eyeshadow is finished. It looks a lot different, but that is because I did not blend it out yet. So I'm just gonna go out of the video, blend it, and then be right back. Okay, so now that the shadows are all the same, all I just had to do was just blend it. You guys may have thought oh, it's a fake or whatever. It's not fake. All I had to do really was just blend the eyeshadows out. And I did just put a little bit more for the middle just to make it a little bit brighter. So yeah, this is the eyeshadow, and now I'm just going to be going ahead and doing my eyeliner, but it takes me quite a bit, so I'm going to be doing a time lapse. Okay guys, so now this eye is all finished. They look a lot more the same once I added my eyeliner, and I understand my eyeliner is trash, so you don't have to say that. Okay, so now I'm going to be doing my eyebrows. For my eyebrows, it's pretty simple. I use 3 products. First, I'm going to be going in with this eyebrow brush, and I just brush my eyebrow hairs up. This is the better looking eyebrow, just saying. And then I'm going to be going in with this e.l.f. eyebrow pencil. I don't know what shade it is because it came off. Alright, and I'm just going to be taking it, and I can't really talk at the same time, so I'm going to take it and just line the bottom. Alright, and now I'm just going to line the top of it. And then I just draw out the middles just to make them pop a little bit more. And then I'm going to take this and brush. Alright, so I know my eyebrows look completely different, but it's okay. They look better like in person, not so much on camera. So now I'm going to be going in with just some concealer and a little angled brush. And I'm taking that and just lining the bottom to make it clean. Alright. Now I'm going on Beauty Blender and just blend that out. Oh, hold up, wait a minute. Forgot to take it and drag it down. And I just take it and just pull it down a little bit just to make it long. Alright guys, so we are all finished with this tutorial. I hope you guys enjoy. I understand my hair looks a hot mess, and all honesty, I look a hot mess. So yeah, thanks for watching. See you next time.